Hey everybody, SergeantPope here, and here's my unboxing video for, I'm not sure what it actually is called, but it's a cool Master case of some kind. And actually, yeah, before I get to this box, Goose right there, oh he's walking out, fucking asshole, there's Master HAF, he's a black one. Goose, there's Goose, that orange one. He's pretty awesome. I came home today, my gaming chair, threw up right there. Fucking asshole, damn it. The one place where I actually give a shit if you throw up? Fuck! So, moving on to the actual box. Pretty fucking huge box. I'm guessing it's probably going to be pretty big. I wasn't really, got some shit on here. I didn't think it was going to be that big, so, pretty awesome packing by Amazon.com. So, yeah, I'm going to try to open it now, and, see how it goes. Okay, now I got, Amazon did a crazy fucking job at packing this, but, wow. Okay, so, shit ton of that stuff, and there's a lot of noise going on. Here's the box. Okay. It's backwards, which is pretty great. So the, fuck it, you guys have to read it, angle. 922 HAF. It's a cool master, I think. Yeah, cool master. So that's cool. Cool master. So I'm gonna get the box out of here and then I'll open it up. Yeah. Okay, I got the box. I got the box out of the box, which my cat is now eating. So let's see. Something kind of interesting. They actually, they shipped me this box. There's my hand. And in that box. But apparently, Cool Master shipped it to Amazon. And just this box. And hey Goose, trying to do something here. But let's actually get to it. Here's a huge fucking fan on the top. I think this is the top. Who knows actually? Yeah, I think it is the top. Holy shit, that's a big fucking fan. I think it's bigger than 120 millimeter. I think that is. That is a big fucking fan. Yeah, I probably can't take this out of the box with my camera shitty skills, so I'm gonna do the fucking cutscene shit again. Okay, be back in a second. Okay, I got it out of the box, and you guys know the BFC, I think it's like a monster, the big fucking can. This is a BFC, the big fucking case. Holy shit. See, there's a HAF logo. Not sure what that actually means, but I guess that's cool, I guess. Let's see. Oh, there's a bullet for the back. Just noticed that. One on top, one on bottom. Here's the liquid cooling thingy-doos. See, that's what kind of fan is on the back? Well, all the fans on this computer are Cool Master, just so you guys know. I mean, kind of makes sense since the case is a Cool Master brand. But let's see. I don't know how big that fan is. I guess kind of looks like 120, but maybe not. Maybe not. I'm not sure. There's all the motherboard jacks and everything, I think. Expansion ports. And, oh yeah, the power supply is actually down here on this computer. I know a lot of my computers, it's on the top, but I guess on the customs they do it like that. Maybe that's for a fan on the bottom? Not sure. Yeah. So, there we go. The front looks pretty nice. I'm pretty aware that the fans are red and everything. Wait, is there a fan on the front? Not sure. Well, I know there's a spot for a fan on the front. See, is it? I think there is one on there. I think there is. Well, I'll open it up in a second, probably. Let's see, power button right there. Fan LED button, which toggle. Then reset. Let's see, there's two lights here, one for power and one for storage, I believe. Let's see, front port, USB right there to the left, microphone, then headphone, USB, and then eSATA. So that's probably like another hard drive, probably. I don't think I have anything with eSATA anyway. So yeah, I'm going to open up this computer and then I'll show you guys the inside for really quick. Yeah. Okay, as Goose is chewing on that shit. So something really nice about the screws in the back, they're actually not screws, they're kind of like let's get in the shot. It's kind of hard to see, but you can actually just like twist it off with your hands instead of actually getting a screwdriver. Although there is a screwdriver input on there if you want it. So, ooh, that scared my cat. Okay, so actually I think you can take it off either side, so that's cool. But this is the side you'll actually be using the most anyway. So, not sure what's in this box, but I believe these are all hard drive things. Things. Here's the fan. Yeah, there is a fan in the front. A little bit hard to see, but yeah. What are these? You know, if I actually knew what these were, it'd be nice. I could actually tell you guys, but don't know them. Falling over. Fuck. Okay. Okay, yeah. Let's see. I don't know. Still wondering what size that fan is. I'm not sure. A big fucking fan on the top. Holy shit! Holy shit! That's a big fucking fan. If this computer overheats, you're a fucking idiot. So let's try to twist off this thing while on that camera. Although I'll probably fast forward through this because this is very tedious. Oh shit! Oh shit! That's why. Okay, get this shit off of her. Okay, now I got that off of there. What is this, like more connectors or something? Oh, shit. This is supposed to come off, right? Oh shit! My case fell down. Although it didn't fall down very much. Oh, it's supposed to come up though, and that's supposed to come up there. Okay, so there's a wire. Oh, that's probably. Is that fan? That might be the. It says speaker right there. Okay, speaker. Probably something to do with the motherboard. I have no idea what that really means. There's a bunch of screws and shiz nizzle. Brackets, probably for the expansion ports, I'm guessing. Probably for right there. I'm guessing that, but I don't know, maybe not. Maybe not. Who knows? And then just a shit ton of screws. They give you a fuck ton of screws. Holy shit. So yeah, that's cool. What's this at the bottom? This is probably just paper. Yeah, this is paper. Yay, paper! And then a bunch of cords. They actually give you quite a few cords. Are these like... I don't know what these are. I'm gonna have fun hooking this shit up. Yay! So, yeah, this is a really fucking long unboxing video. Hope you guys didn't find it too long. What the fuck is this? Okay, got that fixed. Damn, that fan is fucking huge! God damn it. Okay, well, I hope you guys found this helpful or enjoyable. Let's see. I don't know. Soon I'm going to be having a motherboard unboxing. It's some ATX motherboard, so I can use the AM3 Plus processor, and then get 16 gigabytes of RAM eventually. And then get some graphics cards and a whole bunch of other cool shit. So, hopefully we'll be having some cool unboxing videos here pretty soon. And, yeah, I guess that's... Oh, wait. I was just thinking here. These are probably hard drives. Makes a lot of sense. And then these are probably optical drives. I don't know why the fuck I didn't think of that before, but that's probably what that is. So, I don't know why you meant need like a DVD, a CD, and a Blu-ray, but can't you get those all combined? And then, well, I guess you can get like the, fuck. Like, that one. Or that. For like the SD cards and shit. Okay, so, yeah, this video is really long. Hope you guys didn't hate it too much. Yay! Okay, see you guys later. Bye.